in the backdrop of a UN report declaring Israeli policies in the occupied West Bank of apartheid, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken to Israeli Premier Benjamin Netanyahu, reaffirming their resolve to deepen strategic partnership and fight terrorism with greater determination, underscoring the growing collision between New Delhi and Tel Aviv in pursuing coercive policies against occupied people. According to Kashmir media service, Modi in a post on X said he conveyed New Year greetings to Netanyahu and discussed ways to further strengthen the Indian-Israeli strategic partnership and exchanged views on the regional situations. Observers note that this reaffirmation of joint counter-terrorism resolve comes even as the UN Human Rights Office has warned that Israel is enforcing a system of racial segregation and apartheid in the occupied West Bank, marked by repression, dispossession and impunity. Express says that the Modi-Netanyahu conversation once again lays bare the ideological convergence between the two regimes that justify occupation, label legitimate resistance as terrorism, and further trample international law with impunity. They maintain that the same draconian playbook is being applied in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, where India continues demographic engineering, collective punishment, arbitrary detentions, militarization and denial of Kashmiris' UN-recognized right of self-determination. India and Israel, they are hands in glove in normalizing occupation through a military force, information warfare and manufactured narrative of counter-terrorism. While both regimes weaponizes law to silent dissent, the expert added they called upon the United Nations, OIC and Global Human Rights Organization to move beyond the statements, take concrete actions to hold both governments accountable under the international law. They reiterated that durable peace in South Asia and the Middle East hinges on ending military occupation and ensuring an alliance right to self-determination of Kashmiris and Palestinians.